She wanna woo nigga. She wanna fuck with the woo.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a vlog, baby. We're vlogging. I would say we're vlogging today, but actually I'm ending my day because it is pretty late. I just wanted to check in so that way I know I have to continue the vlog tomorrow, kind of pushing myself to like get this vlog out or whatever. So today I actually had a really early start. If you guys didn't know, right now I am in Dominican Republic. I don't know why I can't talk, yo. I'm sorry. If you guys didn't know, si no sabían, I'm in Dominican Republic right now. I'm kind of here on vacation, but kind of business purpose, whatever. So I don't really know how long I'm staying, but whatever. So I woke up today. I feel so weird like telling you guys what I did instead of showing you guys what I did, but a lot of the things I did I couldn't really show anyways, now that I think about it. But I think I woke up around 7:30, and then I had to hop, I kind of just got up, whatever, started my day, and I had to hop right on a business meeting with a friend of mine because I am doing an Instagram takeover on her business page, which by this time, like by the time you guys see this vlog, that'll be long gone, like it will be up and over. So but anyways, if you're watching this vlog, please go check out C2C on Instagram. I will put the Instagram handle on the screen or in the description bar down below. Okay, so I'm back. I don't remember where I left off, but I am currently sitting down about to edit this video. I did a purple look about a month ago and I haven't edited it yet, and it was supposed to be an Instagram tutorial, but I'm looking at it and I might just do it for YouTube and just do a voiceover. I really like how it came out. The result is really cute. So and that's what I'm doing right now. I already started taking over C2C stories, so I'm kind of a little bit back and forth. Like it's kind of like vlogging on Instagram, but I'm also vlogging here, so I need to like divide my time and what I'm showing here and what I'm showing on Instagram. So I'm gonna prop you guys up so you guys can see kind of what I'm doing. Thank God you came. How many more days could I wait? Make plans with you, then I won't let them fall through. I think I lie for you. I think I die for you. Sure doesn't cry for you. Do things when you want me to. Like controller. Yeah, like controller. Yeah. I do it how you say you want it. Them girls, they just wanna take my money. They don't want me to give you nothing. They don't want you to have nothing. They don't wanna see me find your love. They don't wanna see me smiling back when they breathe, knowing I lie for you, thinking I die for you. Jealousy cry for you. Do things when you want me to. Like controller. Yeah, like controller. Yeah. A break from editing this damn video. My computer is acting up and it's just like, oh, it's driving me nuts. Okay, and I'm sorry for the echo. It's probably echo in here. I don't really have a lot of you know, furniture in here, so whatever. I'm about to do my makeup and I'm gonna do my hair. I'm gonna get dressed and I'm gonna take a cute photo. I think that's what we're doing. I don't know. Yeah, I think so. Okay, so I'm in the car now and we're on our way to a spot where I'm supposed to take my photos. I have no clue if those photos are gonna come out good or not, but let's pray that they do. I'm gonna show you guys the DR a little bit.
My eye just changed. It just was the wrong gate. Thank God you came. How many more days could I wait? Make plans with you, then I won't let them fall through.
Okay, so I'm back in the car. Took some photos. I still don't know if I like any of them, but I actually left my house a little bit too late, so I'm not gonna like, I wasn't expecting the best out of those photos anyways. I should have left way earlier. It's already getting late, and they do have like a curfew out here where it's like you have to be inside by 7 p.m. and it is currently 5:40 and there's mad traffic to get home, so I had to go back home basically. So I'm on my way home now, and then I haven't eaten all day, so I'm probably gonna get home, make some food, eat. Thinking about it, that's probably why my head hurts. So yeah, but yeah, took some photos. By the time this vlog goes up, it's probably gonna be on Instagram, or it's never gonna see a day of light on Instagram because I didn't like none of them. But at least you guys know what I've been up to. I wanted to vlog the whole process of me taking my photos, but I wasn't taking my photos by myself. I had someone take the photos for me, so I couldn't have him hold the phone and the other phone, like the vlogging phone and the regular phone. Like, no, that was just doing too much. But yeah, so I'll check back in with you guys when I get home. Hi guys, so today is Saturday. I don't remember what was the last thing y'all saw, but I think I didn't vlog for 2 days. I'm pretty sure I didn't vlog for 2 days, but I haven't done anything. Like Thursday and Friday, I was literally just home chilling. I was working, I was editing videos and stuff, so it was nothing for me to show you guys, to be honest. So that's kind of like, I didn't even leave my house. I didn't do shit. I'm dead ass. I didn't do shit. So today I just got home and now I'm leaving because we are going to the CAMPO to visit my family. So we're going on a little, you know, road trip. I think it's maybe like 3-4 hours of driving. So that's what we're doing right now. I packed all my shit yesterday, so me is ready to go. So yeah, I just wanted to check in with you guys so let you guys know I didn't forget. I need to actually like do something. I don't know. I haven't done anything. Like I haven't done anything literally because there's nothing to do because of this whole virus. Like I'm not leaving my house. There's nothing special for me to vlog. So that's what's up. But yeah, so I'm gonna talk to you guys when I'm in the car. We're gonna pick up my grandma first, and then we're leaving. It's just gonna be me, my grandma, and my brother. So,
¿Cómo está mi hija? Ay, santo Dios, mi ciela lindita, mi muchachota.
montate que nos vamos.
Entra, corre. Sube, vuela.
¿A dónde?
Corre, que tiene que entrar esa guagua.
Aquí, huchi. Huchi.
Ay, Dios mío.
Huchi.
Me llamaban.
I think I lie for you. I think I die for you. Sure to cry for you. Do things when you want me to. Like controller. Yeah, like controller. Yeah.
Hola. Ay.
So, we just got to our destination. My wig is looking crusty, but it's really not, but whatever. We made it just in time before the curfew. Actually, we passed the curfew, but it's fine. So, we are here. Just, I was gonna say just chilling, no, but yeah, we're just chilling. It's nice out here. I'm just gonna be here for like 2 days, and then we're going back to the capital. That is so nice. I recorded a few, like the houses out here are so beautiful. I love the architecture out here. It's like A1. I love it. But yeah, we are not doing much. I'm not doing much for the rest of the night because we're not doing anything. Like, we can't go outside, we can't do nothing. But yeah, I'll check back in with you guys, I guess tomorrow, if I end up doing anything.
I do it how you say you want it. Them girls, they just wanna take my money. They don't want me to give you nothing. They don't want you to have nothing. They don't wanna see me find your love. They don't wanna see me smiling back when they breathe, knowing I lie for you, thinking I die for you. Jealousy cry for you. Do things when you want me to. Like controller. Yeah, like controller.
So today is, she don't want that. She don't want to be in the camera. Today's Sunday, family day. Oh, it's a little dark. I'm sorry. But my family's here. My sister with her kids. So sorry, excuse the noise. But this is my niece, one of them. This is the other one. Toma. This is my sister. And this is my grandma. Like, dile hola. Say hi. That's my little nephew. I'm really not doing anything. I'm just chilling with my family. We're not doing much today. There's actually a tropical storm, so we can't do anything. We can't go out, we can't do nothing because it's like raining, it's pouring everywhere. So we're just chilling. And yeah, I think I'm going to end the vlog right here because as I said, I'm not doing much. So this has basically, for the most part, been my week. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. And then don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.